Tools vocabulary LL56 Tools name in English with pictures LL List of tools. A tool is any physical item that can be used to achieve a goal, especially if the item is not consumed in the process. Tools vocabulary. 56 Tools vocabulary. Tool name in English. Tool with pictures. Okay, so, let's dive into the topic. A pair of scissors tool. Adjustable wrench tool. Allen key tool. Anvil tool. Backsaw tool. Belt tool. Bolt tool. Bradawl tool. Caulking gun tool. Center punch tool. Chainsaw tool. Chisel tool. Circular saw tool. Clamp tool. Coping saw tool. Cordless drill tool. Corkscrew tool. Diagonal pliers tool. Edge tool tool. Electric drill tool. File tool. Flange tool. Fork tool. Hacksaw tool. Hammer tool. Handsaw tool. Hatchet tool. Lineman's pliers tool. Lug nuts tool. Mallet tool. Nail tool. Needle nose pliers tool. Nut tool. Pipe wrench tool. Pliers tool. Plunger tool. Pocket knife tool. PVC insulation tape tool. Sander with a picture and a similar tool. Saw tool. Scissor tool. Scraper tool. Screwdriver tool. Shovel tool. Slip joint pliers tool. Soldering iron tool. Spade with a picture and a similar tool. Spanner with a picture and a similar tool. Spirit level with a picture and a similar tool. Stepladder with a picture and a similar tool. Tape measure with a picture and a similar tool. Teflon tape tool. Tester tool. Toolbox tool. Vise tool. Wrench tool. Like and subscribe.